was the first king of Israel. He reigned for 22 years and was a bad king. The next king was Nadab. He reigned for 2 years and then was killed by Baasha. Baasha was next and reigned for 24 years. Next came Elah. Elah reigned for 2 years and then was killed by Zimri. Zimri reigned for 7 days and then set the palace on fire and killed himself. Omri was next. He reigned for 12 years. He did more evil in the eyes of the Lord than any king before him. Ahab came next. He reigned for 22 years and then died in battle. Ahijah reigned for 2 years and then fell through the top of his house and injured himself and died. Joram was killed by Jehu after 12 years of reigning in the kingdom. Jehu reigned for 28 years. Then came Jehoash. He reigned for 17 years. Jehoash reigned for 16 years. Then Jeroboam II came along. He reigned for 41 years. After him, Zechariah came. Zechariah reigned for 6 months and then was killed by Shallum. Shallum was next. He reigned for a month and then Menahem killed him. Menahem reigned for 10 years.